The best way to create a claim is to first have the provider create a treatment note, save it, and then complete the fee slip, which creates the claim. The reason we do that is because it creates a mirror image between the claim and the treatment note. So following that sequence, once a patient file is brought up, you can either jump to the treatment notes here, the template that you want to create, or you can jump to over here and do one of the treatment notes. So the provider opens that note, they make their suggested changes, their name automatically appears down here based on their login, and they hit save. Now that creates the treatment note. Here's the fee slip, which will create the claim once it's saved. So the note, right here, the provider notes the services that they've done, and then they go ahead and they hit save. Now that fee slip has created the claim, and you can find that claim just by simply going to the billing tab here and going up to the pending claim folder. And so we did a claim on this date for Sandra Bishop, and you'll see there's a claim for Sandra Bishop at the top. Now, the other two things you'll note about this is that there's a warning that something might be wrong, and then there's a fatal warning saying there's serious issues with this claim that need to be fixed. And of course, you can just click on that to find out what those issues are. And then how you would edit the claim is right here, either by clicking that button or clicking the button next to it, which will open up the claim in a second window. So you can go ahead and make the changes to it. The other way that you can make a claim without going through the treatment note process is not recommended, but you can do that by doing typically what we would call a first claim for this patient. So if you could go to the patient's file, pull up the patient file, and then just click Add Claim at this location, it will take you to a blank claim. And if you have insurance information put together already, you can select that. And you can, or if there's other claims, you can ditto from the last claim or for certain providers. But this is an alternative way to create a claim. In addition, if your doctor has done the treatment note but not done the fee slip, what they can do is after their shift, they can run what's called a visit compliance report right here. And that visit compliance report will show where there's treatment notes and claims for a patient that's on the scheduler today. Now right here, you'll note this patient has a treatment note, but no claim. And of course, this plus sign will take you right to the location to fix that and add the claim into the system here. So you could go back, the provider could go back at this point and just click on this detailed note, save it, and then it would be presented with the fee slip. Or they could click right here. Now the reason why you want to have every patient that's come in and treated have both a note and a claim is because a claim without a note looks like fraud, and a treatment note without a claim means that you're losing money. So in this case with this patient, you can just click here and it immediately takes the provider to the claim to go ahead and make the necessary changes to this claim. And actually then after the claim is done, then you just simply hit Save Claim.